a lot of memories, I would say, a lot of them. But if I could just pick one, I would say it's the arrival and startup of the first 5 injection molding machines. Because you have to understand, we actually built everything from the ground up. We had to choose suppliers. We had to basically, find bolts, simple bolts, which nobody can think of. We did it, and once we get those first 5 machines up and running, it was like a dream come true, honestly. Because we also had some rough times during the 2 years of starting up the facility, but I would say yes, the first 5 machines, bringing it into the building, starting it up, and actually doing some regular production runs.